Hey Cody, I just got my first AWS account. What should I do? What's the very first thing I should do? Does anybody know? The very first thing you need to do is assign MFA and then create an admin user. And lucky for you, AWS has a whole reference guide on these steps, 1, 2, and 3. So what's the first thing you should do as an AWS first-time user? So we're going to assume you've already created your AWS account, and we're going to go straight to step 2, activate MFA. We strongly, and I do too, strongly recommend that you do this. And if at all possible, you want to use an actual MFA token, like a YubiKey, especially if you work in an organization. That way you can go lock it in the company safe. Say you get fired, someone else can go get it, that type of thing. Otherwise, if you do like Google Authenticator app or Microsoft Authenticator or whatever authenticator app you use to get your one-time passwords, then it travels around with you, or you gotta like put the keys in some password vault, but tokens are just easier. So we clicked on the link, how to enable MFA for a user, and it's going to walk you through how to do it. So basically the first thing is you're going to sign in and click on security credentials after you click in the top right. And then you're going to go assign an MFA device and then name it and basically go through those steps. So this is what it looks like. I've signed in on my phone and I'm going to click security credentials right here. And I've scrolled down a little bit and you can see here's the MFA section, and you click assign MFA. And you can see I have virtual turned on. Again, it's just me as a single user, so Authenticator is fine. If I was an organization, I'd want to use like a hardware token, like a YubiKey. And you can create multiple, so the CEO can have one, the CFO could have one, the security CISO could have one, that type of thing. But basically, you should not be using this account. You should throw away everything and don't save it in any of your browser consoles or anything like that. No one should be using this account. And you ask me, well, Cody, why? How am I supposed to do my AWS stuff? Well, step 3 is create an admin user. And it's because you cannot restrict what the user can do. We strongly recommend that you don't use it for any task, especially only ones that especially require root, which is very rare to need to use root user to do anything. So definitely do this. And quick teaser for the next video. Did you know the AWS console has an app for your phone? Check out my next video. Thanks.